Hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install AbhiX ROG MIUI based ROM for your Redmi K40, Poco F3 or the Mi11X. So the prerequisites are you need an Unblocked Bootloader and you should be on MIUI, and remove your MI account and remove your Google accounts and remove your password and security, and once you have removed all these you can do a reboot, and you need to have the ROM zip in your internal storage and TWRP installed. And now once everything is ready, you can reboot your phone into TWRP by powering off your phone and pressing power and volume up button. So now go to wipe, advanced wipe, and select your Dalai card cache. Now you can swipe to wipe. Go to home, install, and select your ROM and check automatically reflash TWRP. So your TWRP will automatically get flashed after the ROM is flashed. So now you can swipe to confirm flash. So this is going to take some time for the ROM to get installed, so please wait for the ROM to get installed. So once the installation is done, for beginners, check if there's any errors, and TWRP has been flashed. And now we need to go to home, reboot, and select our recovery. So once your TWRP is booted, now we can go to wipe, format data, then we can type in yes. This will result in wiping out all your pictures, videos, and other stuff. So make sure to have a backup of them. Now once your format is successful, we can reboot into a system. In case you get an error like no is installed, you can just ignore it. Now this ROM is based on EU ROM, so the booting is going to cost you 5 to 10 minutes, so please wait patiently. So while the ROM has booted, now we can continue with the setup, and let me just forward it. So well, the setup wasn't too long, and I love this ROM totally. And you get this notification center as you don't need to change anything. So this is how the ROM looks like, and it's very good, I feel. And let's check if there is a 4K 60 FPS option in this ROM, because I always like 4K 60 FPS. Now let's check it. And well, we do have the 4K 60 FPS. Nothing much in the quality, but you're just gonna get 60 FPS in the video. And this ROM has very good animations. As you can see, it's too smooth. And let's check the kernel they're using. Well, they are using the Balam 2.1.1 Phantom kernel, which is pretty good in other ROMs, and this, so I guess. And the Android version is 12, not 12.1, so note that. And this ROM is pretty fast and smooth, and I'll be uploading videos on this ROM later. So make sure to stay tuned, subscribe my channel. So bye.